Hi, myself S.K. Prasad, CA Intermediate student. On 25th January 2024, icai has released the schedule for May 2024 examinations. By the schedule, we came to know from 2nd February 2024 to 23rd February 2024, the exam application was open. Plus, from 23rd February 2024 to 2nd March 2024, the exam application option was available with late fee option. I had a strong belief that the earlier you apply, the closer the examination center you will get. So I applied on the first day, that is today, 2nd February 2024. In this video, let us see how to apply for examination. Before that, one thing is to be noted, that is a conversion from old scheme to new scheme is required for applying May 2024 examination. I have already published videos regarding this conversion. Check the description for those videos. Now go to icai website and click SSP tab. It will navigate us to SSP portal. Enter your login credentials and proceed with login. In the dashboard, you can find under the heading Exam Function, register for intermediate examination. It will be foundation and final examination for respective courses. Click that, which will take us to exam module page. Then click register for exam under exam module heading. Then go through the basic requirements for applying May 2024 examination and terms and conditions. Then click the checkbox and proceed. The exam application was divided into 3 pages. First one with the personal details, second one with the qualification details, third one with the exam and exam center details. Go through all your personal details in the first page. If there is any correction, you should correct it by applying profile edit form in the student function. Only then you should proceed with the application. Then, as like first page, go through second page and verify the details. Those who have exemptions, you should fill the details in the second page and proceed with application. Then in third page, you need to provide exam and exam center related details. In that, first you will be asked a medium of language you opt, choose it and proceed with the application. Then provide the details regarding center. Then examination fees will be displayed based on your choice of single group or both group. Once you filled all the details in the application, go through the self-declaration and click the checkbox I agree and submit the application, which will take us to payment page. Do the payment and proceed with the application. Once I done the payment, the error page was shown stating that your application has already been submitted. If it also shown to you, don't be afraid. Click the close button on the top right corner. Now you can notice that register for exam option changing into correction window under exam module heading. Then go to submitted and pending applications option in exam module, which shows us all our previous applications. Choose the May 2024 application. See, in that the pop-up was came stating that my application form was successfully submitted. Go to exam functions, choose submitted and pending application. In that application we have 2 pages stating that application details and application print. Go to application print, click the click here option to download the application form if needed. That's all for the video. You can share your thoughts and doubts regarding this video in the comments. Like the video and share this video to your friends if you find it useful. Thank you.